Hi, my name is Anna and I'm a teacher of Russian language. Today I'm going to introduce you all the Russian letters. Of course, to read fluently you need some time and practice, but to understand the concept of reading in Russian doesn't take that long. There are 33 letters in Russian alphabet. We are going to divide them into 4 categories. The first category is true friends. These are the letters that looked and pronounced exactly the same as in English. You won't have any problems with them. Another category is false friends. These are the letters that look like they do in English, but they pronounce differently, and we are going to struggle a bit with them. And another group is new friends, letters that look in a new way to you and obviously pronounce differently. And the last category, we'll call them strangers. These are the letters that you don't use them that often, and in the beginning of learning Russian you don't really need them, so we can just ignore them for now. So the easiest category. Let's look at the letters and repeat them after me, loudly and confidently. A, K, M, O, T, S. This last one, we never pronounce it as K. It's always S in Russian. Let's look at the letters again and repeat some words. So the first letter, my name starts with it, Anna. Anna. K. Крокодил. Крокодил. M. Mama. Mama. O. Just when we're surprised, we say oh. Oh. T. Tramvay. Tramvay. The tram. S. Слон. Слон. Слon is an elephant. Слон. Alright. Let's move on to the next category, and these are false friends. It's going to be a bit more challenging. V. Е. Н. R. U. H. Take a moment to look at the letters again and their equivalent in English. And now we are going to use the circle method of learning when we gradually do more and more from the beginning, from the first slide, from the true friends step. So let's try to read the first line. Va, vo, vu, ve. If you struggle to read, just repeat after me. Let's look at the next line. На, но, ну, не. Good job. Ма, мо, му, ме. The next one. Та, то, ту, те. Okay. Ра, ро, ру, ре. The sound R a bit more stronger in Russian than in English. It's more like Spanish. R. And the last line. Ha, 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 ha. So ha, ho, hu, he. Good job. You can take a moment and read the syllables once again. The next category is new friends. These letters are gonna look in a new way to you, but it's not many of them that you can see. I, P, Я, L, U, B, G, D. Okay, we have the first line. You can find this letter, remember its equivalent, and let's read together. Па, по, пу, пе, пи. The next one is L. Ла, ло, лу, ле, ли. The next letter is B, like бабушка. So let's read together. Ба, бо, bu, be, be. Remember which one is that? Not K, no, it's S. Sa, so, su, se, si. And the last one is actually K. Ka, ko, ku, ke, ki. Good job, good job. So the last category, just remind you, you don't need to concentrate on these letters yet. You don't need them, but let's still look at them. So the first two, they don't make any sound. We don't know why we even use them. Next two is the same sound, yo or y, which is not used often. Z, f, e, but we normally use the letter a, like my name, Anna, but we don't really use e, not that often. And then we have some letters combinations, the sounds. C, sh, ch. And last three letters, there is no equivalent in English, so I just have to tell you guys. J, h, y. The last letter is the hardest one in Russian language. They say you have to imagine that you're actually carrying something really heavy, that you try to lift something heavy, and you just say ooh, ooh. That's the letter, that's the sound. I hope after today's lesson you got a sense that reading Russian is not that hard. Obviously it needs some practice, but there are not that many letters to learn, since some of them we call friends, so they have some similarity with English, which makes our life easier. What particular topic in Russian are you struggling with? Text me in a comment and I'll make a video for you, for your request. Because I'm sure Russian is not as hard as it seems, and I'll be happy to show it to you. Bye bye guys, пока-пока!